April 10th, 2025. Getting ready to take this house down. Gonna build a nice new one for him. First whack of the house. Now we'll let the pros take over. 207 Ocean Street, Marshfield, Mass. We just wrapped up this project here. There was an existing house we tore down. The existing structure was not savable, plus we were in the floodplain and we need to come up. We're about 6 feet higher than we started. This one's wrapped in the books. Now let's go inside and check it out. All right, November 11th, we've been done here about a week and a half. This ended up being a 7-month, 1-day build. This was a complete tear down, completely different house, completely different view. That house had little teeny windows with porches and a chopped up floor plan. Now we have these beautiful picture windows looking out on an awesome deck. The deck extends 10 feet off the house by the full width. We elected to do 2 beautiful decks here, looking out on the water, phenomenal view. Interesting on these decks, everything is PVC and stainless, so we don't have to worry about long-term rust. Stainless steel hangers, stainless steel flashing, all kinds of stainless steel. So when we started this plan, these decks were much smaller, and I said, listen, this is your opportunity to really maximize. This is beautiful out here. Again, due to the floodplain, everything's got to be up off the ground. That electric service had to be up that high in order to be legal. We had to build this platform to be able to service the electric service. That's why that platform's there. We had a custom generator mount built to support the generator, again, above the floodplain. That's actually well above the floodplain on purpose. We don't want that going in the water. And we have our 2 E-pumps here, one for upstairs, one for down. Again, mounted up above the floodplain. In a flood, we should be good. Hopefully we don't find out. On the first floor we have this beautiful living room. Again, 2 big picture windows looking out over the ocean. Nice big counter here, big enough for 4 stools. Our microwave is vented to the outside. I see a lot of microwaves that aren't vented, so if you're listening, stop venting your microwaves. Now we're going to go to the second floor. So this house is built to entertain. They didn't want any bedrooms facing the water. This is a nice big family room up here. 2 huge picture windows and an entrance door to the upper deck, all glass, looking out on the ocean, great view. Huge room, nice storage closets here, lots of storage. Always try to incorporate a lot of storage in our houses. They wanted a door at the top of the stairs. Originally we were talking about doing an open railing here. They didn't want that. They wanted to be able to close the door. If people are downstairs having a good time and someone wants to come upstairs and go to bed, and close that door and hopefully get some sleep. The floors are insulated between each other to cut down the sound, so I think it will work. So due to having to pick the house up, it allowed us to use this space as a garage under. This is not considered a living area, so we have 2 9x7 doors here, operators. Again, this is actually the lowest we could go with any mechanicals. This is the ductwork, so this is about 4 inches above that floodplain. Everything else down here can take the ocean. We don't want it to come, but if it does, it can take it. These are flood vents here. So we have inlet vents there on the ocean side and outlet vents here. These are covers from the manufacturer. These break away if we start having a flood and let the water back out. Other than that, there's nothing down here as far as water, mechanicals, or anything that can be affected. We kept all the outlets up very high down here. Make sure they're out of the floodplain. Even the light switch is very high. This is not a normal height, obviously, but we need to be above that floodplain elevation so we don't have wiring in the water if this does flood. 7 months, 1-day build. Not bad. Should have been under 6 months. We got hung up a couple spots with window orders and other things, but overall, I'm happy with the build time. Customer loves the house. So if you're thinking about an oceanfront property, give us a call. And remember, just build, baby.